Dear children, I welcome you all for 4th standard EVS class. Did you learn anything about water in 3rd standard?
Yes, sir.
Good. What did you learn?
Sir, we learnt about from where we bring water and in what we store water.
So, from where we bring water, in what we store water. Okay.
Sir, we learned that Appu poured water to banana plants.
Appu, the elephant, poured water to the banana plants.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we learned that the clouds will give out rain.
The clouds will give out rain. Good.
Sir, in Rajasthan, how Madhu's family suffered for water.
In Rajasthan, how Madhu's family suffered for water. Then
Sir, also we learnt about rainwater collection.
also you learnt about rainwater collection. Very good. Okay. What are the different types of water bodies you know?
Rivers,
Rivers,
So ponds,
ponds,
Lakes.
lakes,
Sea.
sea. So, different types of water bodies you know. How a river differs from pond or lake? Can anyone tell?
sir,
Yes, Arun?
river water is flowing, but other do not flow.
Yes, river water is flowing, but the pond or lake water do not flow, they remain there itself. Good. Any other point?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Sir, river reaches the sea,
see,
but others do not reach the
very
sea.
good. The river water reaches the sea, but pond or lake water do not reach the sea. Very good. Now, can you name some rivers?
yes, sir.
Anybody? Ah, yes.
Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati.
Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati,
Sir, Kaveri, Vaigai,
Kaveri, Vaigai,
Brahmaputra and Krishna.
Brahmaputra and Krishna,
Narmada and Godavari.
Narmada, Godavari. Very good. You said so many rivers name. Today we are going to learn about a river's tail. What is tail?
sir, it is a story.
T-A-L-E, tail is a story. T-A-I-L,
Sir, it's an animal's part.
tail, it is a animal's part. So, we should not confuse. Today we are going to learn about a river's tail, that is the story of a river. Okay. Now, look at this picture carefully and make few sentences on your own and tell me. Observe the picture carefully.
Sir,
Good. Yes, Harsha.
there are many mountains.
There are many mountains are there. Good.
Sir, there is a river and there are many trees.
Oh yes, there is a river and there are many trees like forest. Okay. Then
Sir, there is a city.
there is a city, you observe. Very good. Okay.
And sir,
Ah.
there are factories.
There are factories here. Factories are here. Very good. Now,
Sir, also there are fishes and animals.
very good. She is observing very well. Also, there are fishes in the water and there are animals. There is a cow, deer, so like that. So many animals are there. Now, you see carefully what is the color of the river where it begins.
Sir,
Yes, Arun?
water is colorless,
Yes.
but from far distance it appears blue.
Very good. The water is colorless, but from far distance it appears as blue in color. Okay? Right. Now, you can see at some places there are many fish, at some places there are less fish, at some places there are dead fish. What may be the reason for this?
Fishes live in clean water.
Fish live in clean water. Okay.
Sir, as she told, fish lives in clean water, but at some places, river water is polluted by the waste from factories and cities.
So, the waste from the factories and from cities, the river water gets polluted. Okay.
Sir, and because of that pollution,
Okay.
the fish are dead at these places.
Because of that pollution, fish die at these places. Good. Now, observe here, at which place the color of the river water change. See here, where it got changed?
Sir, near city.
Near city. Why?
Sir, because sewage and the wastage from the factory and the city is discharged into the river.
Very good.
Because
This
of that, the color changes.
color change, very good. The sewage from the city, waste from the factories are discharged into the river. That is why the color got changed, right. Have you seen people throwing waste in the river?
Yes, sir.
Next, what is this one?
So, this is discharge of sewages.
This is the discharge of sewage into the river. You see another picture. What is this one?
Sir, it is the discharge of wastage from the factories.
Or discharge of waste from the factories. They also contribute in pollution of river. Okay. What is this?
Sir, a lady is throwing the plastic cover
Ah.
into the river.
River. So, she is putting the garbage into the river. What is this one?
Sir, the wastes are thrown in the river.
The lot of solid wastes are thrown in the river. See this
Sir, there are many waste like plastic bags and others are thrown into the river.
river. Actually, it looks like it is not a river of water, it is a river of
Garbage.
garbage. It is a river of garbage. Okay. You see, can you see water in this?
No, sir.
You see only this solid waste, plastic waste, slippers, covers, bottles, everything. Okay. This is how the river get polluted. What do you see here?
Sir, here the river water color changes into black.
The river water color is changed into black. Okay.
Sir, and many solid waste are thrown into the river.
Many solid waste, plastic wastes are thrown into the river. Okay. Can you tell me for what other purpose human beings are using the river?
Sir, for swimming,
Swimming,
washing clothes,
washing cloth,
bathing animals.
bathing animals. Then
Sir, and also they use the river for cleaning utensils.
cleaning utensils. So, cleaning utensils, you see here, there some people are washing the cloth, some are cleaning the utensils, some are swimming, some animals are taking bath. They also contribute for
Water pollution.
water pollution, they pollute the water. Okay, right. Whether the ponds or lakes can also be polluted like this?
Yes.
Not only the river, the ponds or lakes also can be polluted like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, many of this activity makes the river dirty. That is why the water when flows, it kept on changing its color because of this activity, like pollution from the factory, sewage pollution, throwing waste, washing utensils, swimming, bathing of animals, washing cloth, like that, all contribute in polluting the river. Okay. Now, what could be done to keep the river clean?
Sir,
Yes,
we should stop polluting the water.
very good. That is the first. We should stop polluting the river. Any
Sir. the sewage water can be cleaned and reused for agriculture purpose.
Yes, sewage water can be treated and can be used for agricultural purpose. Okay. Anything else? You see here, this is a sewage treatment plant where the sewage water is treated. That means the solid wastes are removed and then allowed to settle for some time. All those muddy particles will settle down and those water is taken to another tank. There it is treated with some chemical and is made usable for agriculture purpose. So, government is taking enough steps to keep the river clean. This is another one, different size, different variety of sewage treatment plants are there. One more. In addition to the treating sewage, the factories also have to clean their waste water and then discharge into the river. For that, some factories are adapted. You can see this is a waste treatment plant in the factories. They treat the waste water and discharge into the river. Next, you can see the government taking enough step to clean the river. For example, there is a boat floating and it collects all the floating waste items. Floating wastes are collected and then disposed properly. Okay, this is one. You see here, can you identify what is this?
Yes, sir. Sir, this is Varanasi and that's the Ganga river.
This is the Varanasi Ganga river. What is this that many people are doing here?
Sir, volunteers are cleaning the river.
Yes, you are right. The Ganga river gets polluted here very often. What they do? They stop the river water and then all these solid wastes are removed by the volunteers and they keep the river clean again. Okay. So, they voluntarily many people are involved in cleaning the river. Okay. This is the what I am saying, government alone cannot keep the river or water clean all the time. It is also our responsibility to maintain the water clean. Clear? That is why there are so many volunteers taking part in cleaning the river, right. You can see this is another scene, another picture. The volunteers clean the river. What is this one?
Sir, the school students are also taking part of cleaning the river.
Very good. The school students also voluntarily involved in cleaning the river. Okay. The college students, not only the school students, the college students also take part in cleaning, maintaining the river. Look at this picture. Would you like to change anything in the picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What will you do?
Sir, I would like to remove the waste from the river and make it clean again.
Okay. You would like to remove the waste from this river and make the river clean again. Good. Look at this picture. In which of these places would you like to live?
Sir, I would like to live in a city which has clean water.
You would like to live in a city which has clean water. So, you want clean water as well as in the city. Why do you need clean water?
Because polluted water is harmful for our health, sir.
Polluted water is harmful for your health. Why you want to live in city?
And city has many facilities like school, colleges, market, hospitals.
So, city has many facilities. So, you want to live. Okay. But basically you need what?
Clean water.
Clean water. That is important. If the water is not there, you cannot
Live.
You cannot survive, you cannot live. Okay. If you wanted to drink some water, from which part of the place shown this picture will you drink?
Sir, I would.
Yes, Adi.
Sir, I would drink from the part where it has clean water.
So, you will drink from the pot where it has clean water. So, you all say that water should be clean. If water should be clean, we should not
Pollute the water.
pollute the water. We need clean drinking water. We should not
Pollute
pollute the water. Okay, remember. See, in the polluted water, not only the germs, there may be poisonous chemicals may also be there. They also will cause diseases. They will affect your health. So, we have to be careful. Now, I have a doubt. Will there be same amount of water in the pond or in the river during summer, winter, rainy season? In all these season, will there be same amount of water?
No, sir.
Yes.
In rainy season, the water level will be more.
Okay. In rainy season, water level will be more.
But, sir,
Hmm.
in the summer season, the water level will be less.
In summer season, the water level will be less, because in rainy season more rain and more water. In summer no rain and less water or no water. Okay. Have you seen dirty water in the river or pond?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Where did you see, Arun?
Sir, I have seen in Kuvam River in Chennai.
Kuvam river in Chennai. So, it is so dirty river with lot of
Garbage.
Correct. How would you know that that is dirty water?
Sir, we can know by based on its color and the items thrown on it and
You
the
can
bad
see,
smell.
very good, by seeing its color, its bad smell and lot of garbage thrown in it. So, you can, and it also has the muddy look. So, based on that we can say it is a dirty water. Suppose if the water looks clean, can you be sure that it is all right to drink that water?
No, sir.
No. Why?
Sir, the water may have germs. So, we have to boil the water before drinking.
Very good. Though it looks clean, it may have some microbes, germs. So, it is better to boil the water before we drink. Good. Now, is there any pond or lake, river near your city, town or near your village? Any river is there?
Yes.
Yes. What is the river name?
Kaveri.
Kaveri. Is there any lake near your
Sir.
place?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Kukarhalli Lake.
Kukkarahalli lake is there. Good. Is there any pond near your place?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the name?
The temple pond.
Temple pond. Okay. Now, shall we go to the pond and learn about the plants, animals of it?
Yes,
sir.
Shall we go?
Yes, sir.
What we have learnt: types of water bodies, uses of water, importance of clean water, seasonal variation in water level, reasons for water pollution, role of human activity in water pollution and sewage water treatment. Dear children, we shall meet and learn about the plants and animals of the pond in the part 2 video.